Top 10 U.S. cities with the highest density of lightning strikes. AccuWeather analyzed the cities with the highest numbers of reported lightning strikes relative to the city's population densities. The cities with the most lightning strikes relative to population density lie primarily in the West and Midwest. Out of cities with top 10 cities with the highest lightning densities. Top 10 cities with the highest lightning densities out of cities with populations higher than 100,000. The most damaging and threatening lightning events often take place in the Southern Rockies and Great Plains, according to AccuWeather's Impact Indicatoro algorithm. These areas, AccuWeather based its analysis on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration NOAA Storm Events Database, which collects records on reported lightning strikes. The NOAA database, search for location/city.
Raindrop, truck top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.